Question number 32. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Elizabeth Catlett's sculpture Recognition in 1970 shows two African American figures with rounded, indistinct features. The figures reach out to each other in a pose that symbolizes a close, supportive relationship. Her sculpture, Students Aspire 1978, shows two African American figures with sharply defined features. The figures hold an equal sign above their heads with one hand and embrace each other with the other hand. This pose symbolizes their support for each other in the pursuit of equality. The student wants to emphasize a similarity between the two sculptures. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? Is it A. Catlett's Students Aspire depicts two figures supporting each other in the pursuit of equality? B. Recognition and Students Aspire both show African American figures in poses that symbolize supportive relationships? C. Catlett completed Recognition in 1970 and Students Aspire in 1978. D. The figures in Recognition have features that are rounded and indistinct, while figures in Students Aspire have sharply defined features. So what the student wants to emphasize? He wants to emphasize similarity between the two sculptures. So we have to choose that answer which will have a similarity between her two sculptures which are mentioned. The Students Aspire sculpture as well as Recognition sculpture. So what is the similarity? If you said B, well done, that is the right answer. Choice B is the best answer. The sentence emphasizes a similarity between the sculptures Recognition and Students Aspire, noting that both show African American figures in poses that symbolize supportive relationships. So both the figures which are mentioned, that is Recognition and Students Aspire, both show poses that symbolize supportive relationships. A is incorrect. The sentence describes one of the sculptures. It doesn't emphasize a similarity between the two sculptures. C is incorrect. The sentence specifies the different years the sculptures were completed in. It doesn't emphasize a similarity between the two sculptures. Choice D is also incorrect. The sentence emphasizes a difference between the two sculptures, noting that the figures in the sculptures have different feature definition. It doesn't emphasize a similarity between the two sculptures. So this was